Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to read and understand the Library of Congress classification system so that you will be able to find books that are located on the shelves of your local library. As you can see on this picture, when you walk into a supermarket, it is very easy to identify when items are out of place. However, when you walk into a library, all books look exactly the same. Therefore, we need a classification system that allows us to find a book in the midst of other thousands of books in the library. There are two common classification systems. The first is the Library of Congress, and the second is the Dewey Decimal System. The Library of Congress uses the letters A to Z to organize a collection, and the Dewey Decimal System uses a numbering system from 001 to 999. In the Library of Congress, each alphabet letter stands for a subject category, and here is a short sample of what each letter covers. These 21 categories label A to Z, but missing I, O, W, X, and Y are further divided by adding one or two letters and a set of numbers. Since you are a student at a Bible college, I would like to emphasize the call numbers that cover most of the Bible and theological topics that are required for most of your assignments. I highly encourage you to familiarize with the classification numbers under the letter B, especially the ones that are highlighted on this slide. BL is religion, BM Judaism, BR Christianity, BS the Bible, BT Doctrinal Theology, BV Practical Theology, and BX Christian Denominations. Now let's get a bit more detail. The BR category is Christianity. However, there are various subcategories within this category. For example, if you are searching for early Christian literature or information about the fathers of the church, you can go directly to BR 60 to BR 67 and you'll find those resources there. If you're looking for church history, go directly to BR 140 to BR 1500 and you'll find your sources for that topic there. BS, which is where all the works about the Bible are located, also has various subcategories such as works about the Bible in BS 410 to BS 780. It's where you'll find Bible dictionaries, Bible encyclopedias, and Bible atlases. If you are looking to find Old Testament commentaries, there's a specific number for that under the BS category. And so, also for the New Testament commentaries. Doctrinal theology works on God are found on the BT 98 to BT 180 section, and works about the Holy Spirit are from BT 119 to BT 123. You can always pause this slide to take note or come back to it for future reference. On this slide you can see right here the categories and subcategories for practical theology and for Christian denominations respectively. A particular great benefit of the Library of Congress classification system is that it organizes the books of the Bible in the same order as they appear in the Bible. So when you find the Genesis commentaries, you'll find Exodus next to them, then Leviticus, then Numbers, and Deuteronomy, and so on and so forth all the way to the book of Revelation. Also, classification numbers for Bible commentaries can get very specific. For example, certain decimal numbers added to the classification number can mean a date of publication as well as type of commentary. Yes, there are various types of biblical commentaries. There are actually 5: devotional, exegetical, expositional, homiletical, and critical. Sometimes, commentaries could have a combination of 2 or more of this type of commentaries. And the date of publication could be a significant component of your research. For example, Bible commentaries printed before 1948, which is the year that Israel became a nation again, might have a different point of view than those published after Israel became a nation. So classification numbers of a biblical commentary can tell you if a book was published before or after certain dates. Feel free to pause on this slide and take some more notes on how the classification for Bible commentaries work. Now let's apply what we learned, and let's say you are looking for a book on your library catalog and you found a commentary on the book of Genesis. And here you can see the call number, which is the address of the book in the library. What you can do is use this number to navigate your library in order to find the book. For this, I have certain tips that can help you decipher a Library of Congress call number. Note that the first 2 lines describe the subject of the book. For example, BS is Bible, and 1235.53 is Genesis. The third line is known as the cutter number, or the main entry, and it often represents the author's last name or sometimes the organization or title of the work. In this case, the cutter number is the author's last name, Philip, P48, .P48. The last line represents the date of publication, in this case, the year 2001. I recommend that you read call numbers line by line. Beginning with the first line, determine the alphabetical order. Then read the second line as a whole number. The third line is a combination of a letter and numbers. Read the letter alphabetically and the number as a decimal. The last line is the year of the book was published. Read this in chronological order. Here, I have an illustration of how to read your call numbers. Here, B goes before BS, 1235 goes before 1245, dot B goes before dot C, dot 34 goes before dot 55, dot 55 before dot 7, remember we're reading this as a decimal, dot 7 before dot 9, and 1099 before 2001. 1999 before 2001. To sum it all up, and perhaps to help you remember anything about call numbers, is that each book is like a little house where information from a particular author dwells. This house is located on a particular street name and number, and someone, in this case the author, moved in there some time ago. So when you read a call number, think of it as BS being the name of the street, 1235.53 the number of the house, P48 who lives there, and 2001 as the year they moved in. Alright, we have arrived to the end of this tutorial on the Library of Congress classification numbers. I hope it has been helpful, and please do not hesitate to review this video in the future for a refresher on this topic, or contact us at the CBS Library at 832-252-4618, and we will gladly answer any other questions you may have about your local Bible College Library collection. Thank you for watching.